Today we're going to make aspirin. We're going to start by putting some salicylic acid into our flask, and we are going to weigh that, and we don't have exactly 2 grams, but that's how much we ended up using. And then we're going to add some acetic anhydride, and 3 drops of phosphoric acid, all in there. Okay, then we're going to swirl that around, and it's going to be a clear liquid at that point. We're going to set it up to warm it. We're going to warm it, this water, we're going to watch the temperature, keep it at 80 degrees C. If it gets too hot, it won't crystallize correctly. And we're going to stir it and keep it warm for 15 minutes to let it react. Okay, after it reacts, it'll still look like a clear liquid in there. So we'll take our flask and we'll put it in some ice, and this will cause our aspirin to crystallize. We'll stir it, because cooling it lowers the solubility, so you'll get crystals to form, and you get it really cold so you get your white aspirin crystals. And then we need to filter it. We're going to use this apparatus. This is hooked up to the sink so that it pulls air out here, which makes a vacuum in here, which pulls solution through when you put it in this Buchner funnel. The truth is the atmosphere is pushing it through. But anyway, so there's a little, inside of this funnel, there's a little filter paper. And then once we get this set up, we're going to take our flask of aspirin crystals, and hopefully the aspirin crystals will get stuck on our filter paper and just the extra liquid will come through. We'll take our filter paper and scrape off our aspirin on a watch glass to weigh it. And let's just say that when we weigh our aspirin is 2.35 grams. Okay, so that's your actual yield. And then you ran some tests where you put different substances in here and added this iron 3 chloride. And the first one, I'm just going to tell you the results, not what's in each one. The first one turns really dark purple. The next one turns like a light purple. And same with the third one. And that's it. From all of that, you should be able to get your data and do your calculations.